So we're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things, and that brought me to the Kerry Kart booth here in the Inventor's Room. And he's going to show us right here all the options. You're going to start from the beginning. Well, that was the two-wheel cart.
Starts as a dolly.
A dolly.
600 pounds, moving large things. Then it flips into a trolley without using any tools. Again, 600 pounds. Cement, mulch, water bottles. Up and down stairs, in and out of tight spaces. It's a two-wheel hand truck. And then lastly, everybody needs this. 3-step steps ladder, ANSI certified for safety, and easy to move from spot to spot. And when you're done, it stores in about the space of a push broom.
Multi-use, heavy duty, good looking, and I'm just talking about you.
Ha! I love it. Worldwide patent pending. We're selling them on hsn.com and HSN Live, and also on kerrykart.com.
Kerrykart.com. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can check this out. But this is a really cool little cart idea for those of you who've got some gear to move around the house.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.